Greetings punters, Ben here. Welcome to another awesome punt. Setting up. I think I'm pretty much set up. So we are going to go live. And it is currently 9:47 a.m. and the world clock says 9:47 a.m. Alrighty, we are here to draw Jason's punt. It's 1,559, couple of nice number ones, nice house on the lake, etc. Alright, already said live. Let's go and see how many names we've got. Alright, Danny at 88. Oops. And Tim at number 1. Okay, there's Tim. And Danny down at 88. Alright, good to go. 3 dice roll. Nice. Oh, I was going to say 3 and 6 is 9 and 4 is 13. 4 and 6 is 10. 3 is 13. All right, 13 rolls. Here we go. It's 1. It's 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Alrighty, 11 times. Checking the dice again. We have 4 and 6 is 10 and 3 is 13. So we have 2 to go. Here we go for the penultimate. Alright, 12. 12 times of 13. Next one is for the win. Good luck, everyone. Alright, there we go. 13 times. 4, 6, 13. 13. Alrighty, let's find a winner for these books. And the winner of Jason's books is... Oh, it's just torture, isn't it? It is Tim Weiss. There you go. Well done, Tim. Good job. Get in touch with Jason. We are done. Thanks for playing. Catch you next time.